my koutou, it's autumn. Ko Kase ahau. I am Kase.
And Moatara Winton School, ko Ja-zel ahau. I am Ja-zel, and welcome to the N.E.W.S news for hor-a, the 1st of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is ahau, which is te reo for what?
As in ahau enei. What are these?
No.
Ka pai ahau. They are shoes.
Ahau, which is te reo for what?
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high from 12:30 to 3:30.
And wear your potae to stay smart from 10:30 koutou. Hor-a.
High VIZ vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment to the trolleys at the end of interval and lunch times.
Winton fun run, 3, 5 or 10 Ks. You can walk, run or bike.
Sunday's the big day. Everyone wearing Winton red, getting active and raising money for our school.
Junior athletics on today. Good luck to all competitors and volunteers. Have fun.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Hurry right and stay sharp, Winton School.